Hi everyone, just a very quick message here to my subscribers. We hit 500 subscribers last week, so a huge thank you. They actually say in YouTube channels that your first 1,000 subscribers are most important because you're really keen on the channel. So that goes the same for the first 500, I'm sure, and a big thank you. I can't believe I've hit 500 so soon. It is all down to you guys, so a big thank you. I've been really busy this week, and a great day this morning with the weather where it's been very windy over recent days. So I've been down to the airfield and had a bit of a fly, so not been able to do much in the office this week. Coming up next, I'm doing a bit on legacy extension tubes for you, and then part 2 of my manual exposures coming after that, so do look out for that. And again, everyone, a real big thank you for the first 500, and we're now heading to, I think, about 540. So thanks again everyone, that's all 500 plus of you, really appreciated. Gotta fly. Clear prop.